हाँ
Wow, amazing. It's more than amazing, man. Stonehenge was rubbish. And the person who chose it actually. Stonehenge was rubbish. We didn't see anything. Just the stone. I didn't even touch it.
It's a fucking shit.
Thank you. Thank you, Aji.